What's going on, everybody? Right? Shit. Hey, man, we out here on Bernice, man, as y'all can see. I'm a little late to the party, man. They've been here since, what time y'all make it, man?
We started at 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock, man. They was here at 7 o'clock. And as y'all can see, there go the dumpster. The old house was right there, man. So y'all see how it turned out, man. These guys here the best. We had a 3-bedroom house here this morning. And it's gone, man. So we're gonna be doing a new build right here. Y'all stay tuned, man. And that y'all can see in the area, man. You can kind of see what's going on. We had a stop 6, man. So we got a couple brand new houses that they done built. All this whole area is going through a revital. Yeah, man, just happy to be a part of it. You know, we doing our part, bringing back some of this, the property value in the community, man. And this was a house that we bought this house in 2018, man, 3 years ago. We had plans of fully rehabbing it, and it kind of didn't work out, man. We got busy with other properties and stuff like that, so the city been on us, so we just came out here, man, made the decision to go ahead and demo it. For the price we got the house for back then, it's pretty much equivalent to what lot prices are selling for now, maybe a little cheaper. So coming back and rebuilding it, it'll be, you know, pretty much as comparable as you know, buying a lot and building a property like that. So super excited, man. This will be my first actual ground up new construction. I've done plenty of additions. I've done plenty of complete restorations. This will be my first new build. So y'all stay tuned, man. It's your boy Majah Vernon, aka Mr. Money Man, aka I do real estate, aka I'm an entrepreneur. Look, man, we got a pecan tree too, man. Ooh, they say the pecan tree. Yeah, that's a good one now. But yeah, man, y'all stay tuned, man. It's a wonderful day. And Josh buying houses in your hood. Peace.